Kia ora koutou once again. It's Monday morning and here I am going live with some Waiata. So we're going to be singing a few Waiata this morning. I'm going to be doing this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. And we're going to start off with our hello song, which I hope you all remember. Here we go. I'll just alter this a little bit. Hello, hello and away we go. Hello, hello and away we go. Kia ora to you, talofa to me, malo elele to everyone we see. Kia ora to you, hola to me. It's time to sing along with glee. Hello, hello and away we go. Hello, hello, aloha, and away we go. Awesome. We're going to be singing that song every time so you can practice. Okay, so our next song we're going to sing is E Toru Ngā Mea. Now, this is a really old waiata that I used to learn when I was at school, at kura. And it's a song about peace and hope and happiness and charity and love. So let's sing it with all our love. And this is an echo song, so I'll sing and then you can echo after me. E toru ngā mea nui, e ki ana te pai pera, whakapono. Tu mana ko mea te nui, ko mea nui, whoops, ko te aroha. We're going to try that again. Try and get it right this time. E toru ngā mea nui, e ki ana te pai pera, whakapono. Tu mana ko te mea nui, ko te aroha. Beautiful song, E Toru Ngā Mea. I hope you enjoyed that. Our next song is all about putting a big smile on our dial, and I think we need to remember that in these times, just to remember to smile. So this is a great song by the world famous in Aotearoa, Anika Moa. So you make the whole world smile with your little button nose. Here we go. Make the whole world smile with your little button nose, your itty bitty feet and your tiny little toes. Even in the still of night when you're a little so and so, you make the whole world smile. You make the whole world smile when you light up like the sun. The laughter in your eyes bringing joy to everyone. So we will sing this all together, then we'll beat upon the drum. You make the whole world smile. Let love flow through your my soul. Let it in, let it in. Look into your heart. Come on, play your part. Let's begin. You make the whole world smile with your little button nose, your itty bitty speed and your tiny little toes. Even in the still of night when you're a little so and so, you make the whole world smile. You make the whole world smile with your little button nose. Awesome. Well, we've got one more song to do, and that is our goodbye song. So we're going to start with the hello song, and we're going to end with the goodbye song. So let's sing our goodbye song until I see you next time, which will be tomorrow. Here we go. It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say kakite. I'll see you soon, my friend. Goodbye, that is what we say. Kakite ano ehua. I'll be on my way. It's time for us to say goodbye. I'll see you soon, my friend. It's time for us to say goodbye. Kakite ano, my friend. Goodbye, that is what we say. Kakite ano ehua. I'll be on my way. Kakite ano ehua. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.